Let's start. The project name is string formatting. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. In the strings.xml file, we have these strings to format. In this string, this part will be replaced by a string dynamically. And this part will be replaced by a number dynamically. And this string has some HTML formatting in it. So these woh.it.wala words will be formatted as bold, italic, and underlined. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main XML file, the constraint layout is the root layout. This text view has used that string from the strings.xml file, which will be formatted dynamically. This text view has used that string from the strings.xml file, which is formatted in HTML style. Let's see the Java code now. This is the main activity. To format a string dynamically, we call the getString function and call that string from the strings.xml file, and then pass a string and a number to be used dynamically. As you can see, the first string is formatted dynamically. And the second string is formatted in HTML bold, italic, and underlined style. So that's it. That's how you can format a string in Java Android. Thanks for watching.